Assalamu alaikum guys. So the purpose of this video is to actually go through the 114 chapters or surahs within the Quran with its meaning. I think it's going to give us an idea of what they contain, and this is of course the table of contents of one of the best book on this planet. So we need to know exactly what the topics are. So we will be going over a detailed video where it's going to be a quick go through of the topics within these surahs. But this one is just actually going through the names of the 114 surahs. So starting off, one, we have Fatiha, which is the opening, Baqarah, the cow, Ali Imran, the family of Imran, An-Nisa, the woman, Al-Ma'idah, the table spread, Al-An'am, the cattle, Al-Araf, the heights, Al-Anfal, the spoils of war, At-Tawbah, the repentance, Yunus, Hud, and Yusuf, which are the names of prophets, Al-Ra'ad, the thunder, Ibrahim, name of prophet, Al-Hijr, the rocky track, Al-Nahl, the bee, Al-Isra, the night journey, Al-Kahf, the cave, Maryam, mother of Isa alayhi salam, Taha, disjointed letter, meaning is unknown, Al-Anbiya, the prophets, Al-Hajj, the pilgrimage, Al-Mu'minun, the believers, Al-Nur, the light, Al-Furqan, the criterion, Al-Shu'ara, the poets, Al-Naman, the ant, Al-Qasas, the stories, Al-Ankabut, the spider, Al-Rum, the Romans, Luqman, name of person, As-Sajda, the prostration, Al-Ahzab, the confederates, Saba, the Sabians, Fatir, the originator, Yasin, disjointed letter, As-Saffat, the rangers, Sa'd, disjointed letter, Az-Zumar, the groups, Ghafir, the forgiver, Fussilat, distinguished, Ash-Shura, the consultation, Az-Zukhruf, the gold, Ad-Dukhan, the smoke, Al-Jathiyah, the kneeling, Al-Ahkaf, the wali, Muhammad, based on Prophet Muhammad Al-Fath, the victory, Al-Hujurat, the chambers, Qaf, unknown, the disjointed letter, Ad-Dariyat, the winnowing winds, At-Tur, the mount, Al-Najm, the star, Al-Qamar, the moon, Al-Rahman, the most gracious, Al-Waqiyah, the event, Al-Hadid, the iron, Al-Mujadila, the reasoning, Al-Hashr, the gathering, Al-Mumtahina, the tested, Al-Saf, the row, Al-Jum'ah, the congregation, Al-Munafiqun, the hypocrites, At-Taghabun, the mutual loss and gain, At-Talaq, the divorce, Al-Tahrim, the prohibition, Al-Mulk, the kingdom, Al-Qalam, the pen, Al-Haqqa, the inevitable, Al-Ma'arij, the elevated passages, Nuh, name of prophet, Al-Jinn, the jinn, Al-Muzzammil, the enwrapped one, Al-Muddathir, the cloaked one, Al-Qiyamah, the resurrection, Al-Insan, the human, Al-Mursalat, those sent forth, Al-Naba, the great news, Al-Naziyat, those who drag forth, Abasa, he frowned, an expression, At-Takwir, the overthrowing, Al-Infitar, the cleaving, Al-Mutaffifin, the defrauders, Al-Inshiqaq, the splitting open, Al-Buruj, the stars, Al-Tariq, the nightcomer, Al-A'la, the most high, Al-Ghashiyah, the overwhelming, Al-Fajr, the dawn, Al-Balad, the city, Al-Shams, the sun, Al-Layl, the night, Al-Duha, the morning light, Al-Sharh, the expansion, Al-Teen, the fig, Al-Alaq, the clot, Al-Qadr, the night decree, Al-Bayyina, the clear evidence, Al-Zalzala, the earthquake, Al-Adiyat, the runners, Al-Qari'ah, the striking hour, Al-Takathur, the piling up, Al-Asr, the time, Al-Humaza, the slanderer, Al-Fil, the elephant, Al-Quraysh, Al-Ma'un, the assistance, Al-Kawthar, the abundance, Al-Kafirun, the disbelievers, Al-Nasr, the divine support or help, Al-Masad, the palm fiber, Al-Ikhlas, the sincerity, Al-Falaq, the daybreak, Al-Nas, the mankind. Let's go over these and hopefully they're going to help you in remembering the 114 surahs mentioned in the Quran. So these were just the very basic high-level themes, and I encourage you to get the book that is published on Amazon, the simplest summary of the Holy Quran, and I think everyone must have a copy, even if you're a parent, a student, a grandparent, a teacher. I think we need to have this copy because the way it's written is it's actually intentionally structured as a multi-level list, so you can always go back, and I think we should have this in our head at all times, making those decisions, and in everyday life we need to implement the Quran. This is a book of guidance. I think that's the best way to do it, is to actually get a copy, get an ebook or a printed version. I'll actually get the link in the description, and all the best.